everyone, and welcome to another Digital Transformation Snacktime Snippet. Today, we're joined by some of our digital transformation experts to learn a little bit about Internet of Behaviors. And this will actually be the first in a 3-part Digital Transformation Snacktime Snippet Series on the IoB. Now, this section will cover the introduction, the definition of the Internet of Behaviors, and advantages of the Internet of Behaviors. So without further ado, I will turn it over to Rajeswari and take it away.
Today's technical presentation is on the topic of Internet of Behaviors. So, which is the latest the technology emerging nowadays. And so, this organization and analysis of data has taken different forms because of technological changes. So technological changes means Internet of Behaviors, that emerging technology. This helps the companies to change their business strategies, paradigms. So the development of this concept of mining of behavioral data, customer or consumer behavioral data, is first time coined by Gert Neiman, a retired psychology professor at the University of Helsinki in 2012. So that means 10 years before itself, this concept come and it is evolving nowadays. So this technology ensures the businesses to grow, to continue their growth, even in unexpected times, like pandemic time nowadays happening, Corona. In this timing also, businesses are making that grow economically. So
I have a question for you, though. I don't have a doubt, but I do have a question. So you're saying that during these economic times, because of this new technology, Internet of Behaviors, organizations are seeing growth. How are companies seeing growth because of this new trend in technology?
Yeah, I will give the one example. Amazon is doing a big business. Last year also, in pandemic time also, they have given some sale during the festival of the Diwali in India. So recorded sales, they got it. So why they are doing like that is they are tracking each and every click of the customer, and they are making that personalization and trying to give best services so that, say for example, one product I browsed, I clicked on that one, and it was being tracked by the system, and then they will analyze each and every customer, what they are searching and how they are going. According to that, whatever the latest products that they are getting, they are doing sales promotions, and if at all product cost reduces, it is going to give a big alert to the customer. So in this way, they are improving their business and doing record sales.
All right, so let me make sure I understood what you said. What you're basically saying is that Amazon, being one of the 4 leaders in technology, is now utilizing personal information from individuals. When I say personal information, I mean they're using the trends and the behavior of individuals to really market their products to the individuals based on individual needs and likes. Is that what you basically said?
Yes, correct.
Okay, so therefore, because they're able to look at individual behaviors and study the patterns of individuals person by person, they're now able to customize their offerings to individuals as needed and do it dynamically enough so that the individual gets what he needs when he needs it and what he's looking for at his fingertips.
Yes. What is Internet of Behaviors? So Internet of Behaviors, it's an extension of Internet of Things. Things means physical objects. So these objects, they can embedded with different the sensors, like embedded with the sensors, software, and as well as other technologies for the purpose of connecting each and every object so that they can collect and exchange the data with the devices and as well as the systems over the internet. So with that, this is an extension behavior. In addition to this one, they are collecting the data of that particular aspect, and then they are mining the top data to collect it, and then personalizing the client behaviors, interests, and preferences. So this constantly expanding and changes it in the complexity of IoT helps IoB understand the data of users from their perspective of physical psychology. So if I browse one product, this is my interest. Some other client may shows some other product interest. So based on the behavioral of each and every individual psychology, they will collect the data, and according to that, they will personalize that data to give best services. So IoB caters to the design of new approaches based on the user experience as well as such experience optimization, enabling the companies to market their end products and services. So in general, IoB is a combination of three fields: technology, data analytics, and behavioral psychology. So IoB focuses on each and every individual directly based on their facial recognition, location tracking, and big data. It also proactive detecting psychological variables to influence to bring about a certain outcome. So that is what IoB refers. So advantages of IoB. So in general, this evolving technology is beneficial in different ways, in so many ways. So it helps in analyzing customer buying habits so that across various platforms, which in turn helps companies to customize their services and products. So, and the second point is that this technology helps in troubleshooting instantly, which makes customer happy. So if at all if a customer buys a product and he did not get any support, he immediately calls, then they will take care of that one. And then according to that, the data they will collect, they will analyze and then give directions to make the customer happy. So third point is that IoB enables gain deeper insights into the customer buying journey and design services and products accordingly. So say for example, if at all one product is there, some people may like the design and some people may like the working of that one. So it all depends. So that also takes into consideration while collecting the data. Fourth point is that IoB helps in redesigning value chains, thereby making customers' experience pleasurable. So even the site UX also, they will look into that and how they are surfing and how they are clicking on each and every object. And also the customer's feedback, how they are feeling. So that also they will take into consideration to improve their business strategies and also their products. And fifth point is that IoB enables live notifications to the customers about a company's services, products, and even upcoming offerings. And last, by looking into all these advantages, we can say that IoB follows customer like a shadow. These are the advantages of IoB.
That concludes this digital transformation snack time snippet. Thank you, Rajeswari, for all that information, and thank you, Bill. Thank you all for joining us, and please join us next week for the next part in this series on the Internet of Behaviors on XTIVIA's digital transformation snack time snippets. Thanks so much.